Hi, I'm Allie.
And I'm Dana.
We are both account executives here at SmartBear, and we are going to ask each other a few questions about what it's like to work here. So Dana, before SmartBear, what were you doing?
Yes, so I definitely came from a different background. I studied business in school, and throughout school I kind of had a passion for the hair industry, which ultimately brought me to Boston. I worked for 2 years after college building a network of really a bunch of different type of people. So it was a great way to meet people, doing something I liked. Still a hobby of mine, and it's ultimately what led me to SmartBear.
Awesome.
But you had a different experience, so what was your background?
So I was working at a sales company, so I definitely had some prior experience in sales, but by no means was it tech related. So I think that was the hardest transition for me, was coming from a different industry that was not tech related in any way, shape, or form.
Yep, same. So then how did you actually hone in on SmartBear?
Yep, so I really wanted to change. I definitely loved sales and figured why not follow on that path, but I was doing some researching on Built in Boston, stumbled upon SmartBear, found that the reviews were really great, so I figured why not apply, and here I am. But what about you? How did you actually land on SmartBear?
Yeah, so I was in the midst of trying to figure out my next move and where I wanted to end up. There's obviously a lot of companies in Boston, but one of my very loyal clients at the time had worked here for many years and in different roles, and he was kind of helping me as I was trying to form my next move, and he kind of brought me in, referred me in based on his experience here.
Yeah,
which is great.
That's great. And now